The Remote Control 2 offers wireless control for a P680 hearing instrument. A high contrast display allows you to clearly see your hearing aid settings at a glance, whilst boasting large and intuitive buttons to access different program options and volume adjustment within your hearing instruments. The Remote Control 2 may also be used to activate audio streaming for other wireless devices, such as the TV streamer or mini microphone. Ultimately, you should be able to utilise all functionality of your hearing aids without the necessity to use the programming controls on the hearing aids themselves. The operation of the Remote Control 2 is very easy to use. This video will detail the basics of pairing the device and provide an overview of its general functionality. Before using your Remote Control 2, you need to ensure that it is fully charged. Plug in the charging cable to the micro USB of the device and the other end to an appropriate power outlet. During charging, the bars in the battery meter will be showing 1, 2 and 3 bars intermittently. When fully charged, all 3 bars will be shown continuously. You can use your remote control with your hearing aid. You will need to pair them together. Please ensure your hearing instrument is in the off position by opening the battery compartment. The remote must be turned on. Do this by pulling downwards on the switch located on the side of the device. On is represented by a single vertical white line, as shown. Remove the silver case from the base of the remote and press the small white pairing button. The remote control will remain in pairing mode for 20 seconds. Whilst pairing mode is activated, close the battery doors of one or both hearing instruments and make sure they are on. A successful pairing will be indicated by an audible melody played in both hearing instruments. You only need to do the pairing procedure once. The operating range between the Remote Control 2 and the hearing instrument is approximately 100 centimetres. Using the remote within this range, the following options may be activated. To change volume, use the plus and minus keys. If you have hearing aids on both the left and right ears, the remote control will default to make changes on both. If you only want to change one side, press the left or right arrow first, and then the plus and minus keys. To change programs, press the P button. Each button press will be accompanied by the corresponding number of beeps for the selected program in your hearing aids. To go back to Home Settings, press the Home button. This will reset volume to default, as well as turn the hearing aids back to Program 1. The streaming button may be used to activate audio streaming from the TV, stereo, or another device connected to your hearing instrument. Simply turn on the audio device and then press the streaming button. The hearing instruments will instantly start searching for the wireless accessory, such as the TV streamer, and connect to it. You can have up to 3 streaming devices set up for your hearing instruments. The Remote Control 2 has a standby feature that puts the Remote Control 2 into a sleep mode after 20 seconds of non-use. Whenever the display is dark, simply press any button on the keypad to awaken the display and then perform the desired action. You may also wish to keep the remote control turned off to avoid unintentional changes if keeping the remote control in a pocket or handbag.